Dear viewers, welcome to Bracket Coder. I think all viewers have enjoyed my API performance using Python language. I have created this API using some Python script. First, I have imported OpenCV, and then I have imported MediaPipe, and then I have imported NumPy, and also imported Tkinter. Tkinter is for MacBook GUI. When I run this script, it will open a window in my MacBook. For this reason, I imported Tkinter. I have also created some function. This is a function, calculate distance. It will calculate the distance. Here is another function, compute eye aspect ratio, and here is another function, count fingers. It will count my fingers, how many fingers I have. And another function, detect thumb gesture. So this is very simple process. If you enjoy this video, please comment our YouTube section, then I will prepare for the next video and describe this full code. Till then, take care.